Hi, Mr. Aslan, the landlord here. Happy World Vegan Day, 1st November 2022. And the time is 14:50, 10 minutes to 3 in the afternoon. And I'm about to have a savory tomato juice with lots of herbs, a very herby juice. So here it is. About to pour it in here. I have about a dozen tomatoes. Right, tomatoes, 2 pieces of fresh turmeric, 3 slices of fresh old ginger. I have culantro. I bought it at the Pasar Malam yesterday. They call it Vietnamese ketumbar. I have parsley. I have Italian parsley, which is flat leaf parsley. It's the same species, just mutant, so that it doesn't crinkle. I've also got some Thai basil and some coriander, cilantro, and 2 roast onions. What else have I got in that? A dash of this stuff. It's JB sauce, which is vegan Worcester sauce made by Lingham's. Dash of this, which is liquid aminos by Bragg, basically amino acid, which is the same thing as this hydrolyzed protein. Okay, this is made from soy. Bragg's is made from wheat. I just put a bit of everything to get diversity of nutrients, and I put my heaped teaspoon of my super seaweed with moringa and habatus sauda and black and white sesame seeds, and I've also put a teaspoon of my dried herbs. Okay, I haven't got a label on this one, but this is my high antioxidant dried herbs, and I put a little bit of my chaat masala, which is this stuff. Okay, high antioxidant chaat masala. It's a spice blend which has lots of antioxidants in it. And I've also put some modified fish curry powder. It's no more babas because I put my own chili creng and some leftover cumin and what do you call it? Coriander powder and ginger powder. You know, the leftover stuff from making my spice blend. So I just chucked it all in here. Normally I try to have sambal powder rather than fish curry powder because it has a little bit more ingredients, particularly asafoetida. Okay, so I'm gonna give it the taste test now and tell you what it's like. It's very nice. I like it. Can't stop drinking it. Actually, I forgot to mention I've got lemon in there as well with the skin. I've also got freshly ground mixed black and white peppercorns in it. Surprisingly, it's not spicy. It's more herby and savory. Okay, I love it. Okay, so that's my World Vegan Day juicing recipe that I'm sharing with all of you today. So happy World Vegan Day. And I've also put out some food rules, the rules that I follow regarding food. So you can find it on the various social media that I use. Okay. The file is at my low fat, low salt, whole food, algae, what do you call it, fungi, and plant-based Facebook page. Okay? And lots of others. I shared it with about 25 different groups and pages until Facebook says I can't share things in groups anymore. Facebook algorithm can be a real pain in the ass. I mean, it's World Vegan Day, so I'm celebrating it. So what's the problem with sharing stuff to the vegetarian, vegan groups and other health food groups? Okay, it's relevant, you know. I mean, sometimes it's Facebook, you know, what do you call it, algorithms is really Daft. D-A-F-T. Daft. Okay, see you next time. Bye.